Hey guys, it's James Johnson with MarineMax Sail and Ski, coming to you from our 183 location out here in Northwest Austin. Hey, we just unwrapped this beautiful Paragon 25. This is a new arrival, just showed up the other day. We took it out of the wrap this morning, and it is a gorgeous color that hopefully the camera is doing it justice. It is Captiva green, main stripe and hull bottom. It has an anthracite metal flake accent stripe. The tower is with both Captiva green, anthracite, and you got anthracite softmax vinyl accents on the side here too. You got black Chromax badges and lettering on here. The boat just really pops. Okay, these are the Roswell board racks that will be installed on the telescoping tower that's standard on the Paragon 25. But anyway, those mount right in these little receivers right here on the aft side of the tower. But you can see the three-stage telescoping tower that's on here. Again, standard equipment on the Paragon. And then you've got the really nice JL speaker housings that really wrap the package up. Those have downward lighting on them that really sound great. Anyway, just some of the extras you get with the Paragon. Okay, we're going to do a little walk around on the outside of the boat here. You can see the swim platform and the three-tier step to go into the walkthrough, to walk into from the platform to the into the cockpit there. On the transom of the boat, you can see the downdraft exhaust. You can see Nautique surf system. You can see the NCRS plate in the middle there. You can see the steering assist thruster over here on the starboard side of the transom. Big stainless steel 4-step ladder, super easy to climb in and out of from the water. Back here you have a cooler, you have transom remote, you have these little notch seats which are ideal for sitting in and watching people swim off the back of the boat. And looking at the tower, you can see the framed bimini top and the extra large canvas in there provide shade. This boat we ordered with the shade kit, and it has a mesh shade that comes off the back that goes all the way to the transom, and one that goes off the bow, so you can actually shade the inside of the boat and the interior with these mesh awnings. You should really come and check this thing out. This is a boat that won't be around long. Again, we just got it in and we just unwrapped it. We don't have many of these around right now, but come by. You can call me. I'm James Johnson with MarineMax Sail and Ski. You can reach me at area code 512-917-7547, or feel free to email me at james.johnson@marinemax.com. Hey, we look forward to seeing you here at the dealership and eventually get you guys out on the water. Y'all are off to a great summer, I hope. Thank you.